Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Thompson Watches handcrafted leather wristwatch. So, you might be wondering, what is this website that you may be hearing online? The Thompson Watches website. So, Thompson Watches here is an online store that sells men's and women's wrist watches with a focus on classic and modern designs. Now, according to the official website here, the company offers handcrafted inspired timepieces that are designed with attention to materials, proportions, and finishing. Now, its catalog includes leather strap watches, chronographs, skeleton watches, watches, and stainless steel models for everyday wear and formal occasion. Now, the store offers a large collection of watches with different dial sizes, colors, strap options. Now, if you're specifically looking for leather strap models here, they do have a lot of models like the Darian Classic textured leather strap watches, which is currently priced at around $109. So if you're going to check their website. Now, the homepage here also advertises discounts up to like 80% off, a buy one get one free offer on selected models, free shipping, and a 40-day money back guarantee. Now, using the website is fairly simple here. Now, it's straightforward. You just need to browse the different collections, choose the watch you want, and open the product page to view its photos, specifications, available colors, and pricing here. Now, if the watch comes in multiple variants here, select your preferred option and add it to your cart. And you may want to go ahead and just continue to your checkout. Now, after placing your order, the company states that watches typically requires 3 to 5 business days for processing, followed by 5 to 15 days for delivery, depending on your location. Now, you'll also receive a tracking number once the order ships. Now, that's according to them. Now, the website also includes pages for order tracking, shipping information. So if you're going to check their section here, so as you can see, and yeah, so currently they do have what we call the frequently asked questions and customer support section as well. So if you need assistance, you can contact the company through its support channels or support email listed in the website at the very bottom, as you can see right now. So yeah, if you do have any questions, you can reach out to them. And if you have like specific things that you want to verify first, you can go ahead and do that first before actually ordering. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.